Recently, I was really craving some chocolate lava cake. I haven't eaten chocolate in several years, but I have been using carob recently to flavor things in a chocolatey way. And so I decided to get out a few ingredients that I feel totally okay and like are functional foods and make myself something like a chocolate lava cake. And it was awesome and it hit the spot. I thoroughly enjoyed it. So I'm gonna share it with you. Here are my 5 ingredients: organic, unsweetened carob powder, guar gum-free coconut milk, almond flour, Himalayan salt, and pasteurized eggs. Start with 1/3 of a cup coconut milk. Add 3 tablespoons almond flour. Add 1/8 of a teaspoon Himalayan salt. Add 2 tablespoons carob powder. And add 2 eggs. Blend that all together. Pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes. It comes out looking like this really smooth, beautiful souffle. And you can eat it straight out of the container you cooked it in. I'm going to try to get it out onto a plate now. There you can see it on a plate with the creamy lava. Beautiful. It's quite yummy. Creamy, chocolatey, smooth. Bon appetit.